What's kicking, Shark Mates? Dino Vixen, Slim Shetty.
What's up, guys?
Here at Wrapsesh doing another color change, car reveal, things and stuff.
Good. This one's a good one.
It's very, very nice.
Very nice.
It's silky smooth. This week we did a full color change on a Corvette, things and stuff.
Z06.
Z06.
Really nice Z06.
Beautiful.
Yeah, this color is like fire.
It's spicy.
It's probably one of my favorite matte films I've ever installed.
It's actually super nice. So the color we're using is KPMF Ultra Matte Quantum Blue, which is a very, very matte film. It's very dark.
Very dark.
It's like a blue-black, iridescent.
Like from certain angles and certain lighting, it looks like matte black. But when you get light on there, the actual flake in it is blue. And so you get, it looks blue when a little like light shines. Oh my God.
It's gonna look so nice outside.
Nice.
I cannot wait.
Yeah.
But we also did some other things to the vehicle. We worked on the wheels.
We powder coated the wheels.
Yep.
Yeah. What else did we do?
We're ceramic coating,
ceramic
of
coating.
course, because this is a ultra matte film. It's gonna be very hard to maintain. So that ceramic coating actually kind of deepens the color a little bit of the blue, and it also seals that surface, so it's gonna be a lot easier to maintain.
Yeah.
I think that's all.
That's all we did? Yeah.
Yeah. Anyways, check it out. We hope you guys enjoy this KPMF color change.
Let's go. Are you ready? You've been staring since I came in. I know you wanna get to know me. But honestly, I came with my girls, wanna dance by ourselves. Can't you tell? Baby, baby, I have thick skin. Yeah. I don't let things get to me. But do you want me to spell it out for you right now? I'm not feeling your vibe. Crystal clear that you're head over heels, but don't come any closer, my dear. Cause when I get mad, I cannot control what might happen. You think you can put your hands on my body. I'm no damsel in distress. Come too close, I might just lose it. I knock you down like boom, 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 boom. I knock you down like boom, 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 boom. I knock you down like boom, 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 boom. I knock you down like boom, 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 boom. I think you're messing with the wrong girl. I bring the thunder, haven't you heard? But honestly, I just wanna dance with my girls here tonight. No man by our sides. Crystal clear that you're head over heels, but don't come any closer, my dear. Cause when I get mad, I cannot control what might happen. You think you can put your hands on my body. I'm no damsel in distress. Come too close, I might just lose it. I knock you down like boom, 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 boom. I knock you down like boom, 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 boom. I knock you down like boom, 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 boom. I knock you down like boom, 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 boom. Boy, you better sit down, you just shut your mouth. Cause I don't need a man to make me feel fine. Better sit down, you just shut your mouth. Yeah. You better sit down, you just shut your mouth. Cause I don't need a man to make me feel fine. Better sit down, you just shut your mouth. Yeah. You think you can put your hands on my body. I'm no damsel in distress. Come too close, I might just lose it. I knock you down like boom, 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 boom. I knock you down like boom, 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 boom. I knock you down like boom, boom, boom,
much for watching our episode this week. We hope you enjoyed our Z06 KPMF color change. If you guys want to go above and beyond with a custom or color change vehicle wrap, make sure to hit us up at wrapseshaz@gmail.com. If you want to keep up with the daily fun,
Kind of.
you go places.
You go things and
Facebook,
stuff.
Instagram.
Facebook, Instagram, all those things.
Tickety tock tock.
We do have a TikTok.
Find us at Wrapsesh AZ and Vinyl Vixen Wraps. And please, please, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you dig the Wrapsesh vibe, see you guys next week.